The Indian Army has successfully tested first-person view drone equipped with an impact-based anti-tank munition, marking significant milestone in tactical drone warfare. Taiwan has officially taken delivery of its first F-16CD Block 70 fighter jet from the United States. The aircraft delivered as a two-seat F-16D model featuring upgraded radar systems, new mission computers, enhanced electronic warfare capabilities and improved structural life. The Indian Air Force has received approval from Defense Acquisition Council to acquire 6 additional NETRA Mk-1A airborne early warning and control systems, enhancing its surveillance and combat capabilities. The Russian United Aircraft Corporation has delivered first batch of Su-35S 4++ generation fighter jets to the Russian Aerospace Forces. The fighters' jets delivered in this batch are equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, long-range targeting systems, and expanded suite of precision-guided munitions, ensuring operational effectiveness across a broad spectrum of combat scenarios.